What tackle should I bring? Great question. Most of the lakes have your choice of lake trout, northern pike, walleye, smallmouth bass, or perch. So depending on which fish species you'd like to go for would depend on your tackle. Spoons work great, jigs work great, worm harnesses work great. Even just casting off the dock works great. So I have tried many of the different types and they all seem to catch fish, so it doesn't really matter what you use. I would suggest putting on a stronger line. Most of the pike I've caught were 10-pound plus, so nothing worse than coming out here with 3-pound line or something that's been on there for 20 years that you haven't used and all the fish keep snapping your lines. Doesn't make for a very fun day. And we do have extra tackle available in the lodge if you do happen to need to get some more or fishing line. You got a couple items in there: bobbers, weights, hooks. We're just looking at getting some more different tackles, so come on in and see what we got.